If you're looking for a home with a space for entertaining and family fun, this home is for you. Located in the beautifully gated community of Montevista in Cave Creek, Arizona, this home will check off all the boxes on your wish list. This 3,576 square foot home has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a backyard oasis to fall in love with, and a tandem 3-car garage. Enter into the rotunda foyer and you'll be wowed. The tall ceilings and many windows make this home light and bright. The room off the entry can be used for additional living space, a home office, or study area. Eat in the dining room, at the breakfast bar, or eat-in kitchen. The open floor plan allows for great entertaining space with a spacious family room and beautiful courtyard area. The cook in the family will love this kitchen. It boasts granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a 5-burner gas stove, large island for food prep, plenty of cabinets, and a walk-in pantry. Off the family room, you'll find the guest bedroom, a full bath, and laundry room. Upstairs, the spacious hallway leads you to the master suite. This bedroom is large enough for a king-size bed and sitting area. The master bath boasts dual sinks, a vanity area, separate soaking tub, shower, and large walk-in closet. The other 2 bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bath and are also very roomy. You'll love the bonus room where you can enjoy family game nights or sit back and watch a movie. The private backyard has mature citrus trees, grassy area, and lush greenery. Sit under the covered patio, splash in the pool with water feature and Baja deck, or relax in the spa. All of this in a community with planned social events, activities, parks, and walking paths. If you'd like to schedule a private showing, please contact Kim Nathanson or Holly Hoffner with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Arizona Properties, or visit us at montevistalife.com.